Yeah.
Yeah, he's giving the crane directions, and the signals, you know, when he does this, that means that he has to spool down and drop the hook. When he does this, that means the hook picks up. And then he has signals for left and right and for moving the boom. So he has about half a dozen signals that he gives to the crane operator to help direct him, because the crane operator can't always see everywhere where he's lifting.
It's a little like a guy on the runway, right?
Yeah, just like directing a plane.
Here it comes. Oh my God, don't go under there.
Yeah, they're checking it just to make sure everything's good under there. They're getting the cardboard out of there and it's sitting on it. Gotta trust the crane operator when you walk under there.
It's called Truss. Walk under a bridge.
So here comes the guy.